Hi guys, I just wanted to share this project that I've been working on. I have two things I want to show you. First are these lollipops. Look how adorable these lollipops are. Now, I wish I had some charms to put on there, but I don't have anything that would look right. I have silver charms. I don't have a lot of gold, so I need to invest in some gold. So right now, this is what I have. So this is what it is. It's just a regular foam piece that you can get at Michael's and probably Dollar Tree or Dollarama, all those type of stores. I've seen them in glitter at Dollarama. And this roll here, the piece that I have, they're adhesive. So I just put two different colors on top of each other. And as you're stretching it out, one piece will be longer than the other. And you can see here it's light pink and then dark pink. I saw this tutorial, I'll put her link below, and in her tutorial, she's actually putting her stick, instead of here, she's putting her stick through here, right next to the ridge. I decided I wasn't gonna do it that way. I was gonna put it into the piece that extended out, because when I had created these by themselves and didn't put the stick in, they were starting to come out a little bit. So I had to put some glue in there and seal them back up. So I decided, I took my X-Acto knife and dug the hole in, and then I really put it in with some glue, hot glue at the end of the stick, and I put it in, and that's how I think would keep this piece more secure. So that's what I did with that. Then I just took a pretzel bag. It was about 10 inches long, 2 to 3, maybe 2 inches wide, or 2 and some, and I just cut the bag into 3. And on the two pieces that would be open on both ends, I just used my, that fuse tool, and I was able to secure it and make sure that it stayed closed. And then I just put the bag around and tied a bow. And look at me, I did bows. I can't make bows, but I figured out how to do it. They might not be perfect, but they're perfect for me. So that's what I did, and these were all the ones that I made. Now, I did put Incastella on some of them, and then I realized my Incastella is, it's costly, and it was using a lot of Incastella, and I was running out, so I didn't want to use any more. I didn't know what else to use. I didn't want to use the diamond dust, and I tried a couple other things, but it didn't work right, so I need to figure out what would really look nice for future ones. But I think it would look really sweet with a charm on there, and maybe add some more bling. But I just wanted to share with you these cute little embellishments. Now these are on the bigger size. They're actually like the average sucker. I did work on some here that were a little smaller, and these ones are 1/4 of an inch. These ones are 1/2 an inch. But these are really big, but that's okay. They're still super cute. And so I did these ones 1/2 an inch, and you can see the little bow is tinier. The stick is actually shorter. And I think these are really, really cute. So I'm gonna go back and start making some with 1/2 an inch, or sorry, 1/4 of an inch, and then do it that way. And this one I just added flat back pearl on there and a rhinestone. My cutter, my Fisker's cutter is getting dull, so I didn't like how it was cutting very well, but anyway, it still turned out really cute. And so that's what I was working on for those. Again, I just got to find out a way to bling them, but that'll all come together. Even without the bling, they're still pretty cute. So I made those. Put that one back together. And then I saw Septeria 18 make these tea bags. Now, guys, I'm a very big black tea drinker. I love black tea. And she was making Vellum sequin shakers and tea bag. They're called Vellum tea bag shakers. And super cute. Oh my God, I love them. Look how adorable these are. And so again, they're just made out of vellum, and they're just folded a certain way. I'll put her link below for her tutorial. And you just staple, you fold the sides in, you staple, you put your string in, then you staple, sorry. And then these hearts are just covering the stapler. Now, I found the Tim Holtz mini attacher or tiny attacher is perfect. It went through just like butter. It was perfect. I absolutely love that stapler. I actually bought the some different color staples as well, so I'm waiting for those to come in. They'll take a little bit, but so I made these, and look at the tag on the back. I kind of matched it to the heart. So adorable. And so I was making these because I wanted to send them out to someone, and so I made these for her, and I'm going to send them off to her. And they just says love with the rhinestone. This one says darling. Oh my God, they're so adorable. Hello. And then this one is so happy. I don't have a lot of, like, I have the wording and everything, but not something like that would say stuff for tea. So I need to look into that stuff. Get maybe, you know, like a cup of tea, or it's tea time or something like that. Stickers, or maybe even die cuts or something like that. But are they not adorable? So, so cute. So I'm getting ready to send these out in the mail for tomorrow. Just as, you know, just as something. And again, so that's those, and these super adorable suckers. So that's what I've been working on, and I wanted to share with you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.